Hello everyone, I am Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, Hide and Seek by Deborah Schecter. Where can I hide? Where can I hide? I can hide behind a chair. I can hide behind a chair. I can hide behind my hair. I can hide behind my hair. I can hide in a dress. I can hide in a dress. I can hide in a mess. I can hide in a mess. I can hide under the rug. I can hide under the rug. I can hide in a hug. I can hide in a hug.